What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust with the ticker symbol SPY. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. I will also be looking at the QQQ, and make sure you guys hit the like button down below. A lot of these videos are not getting enough likes, and they're not getting enough viewership, so let's get the video likes to 50 at the very least, or else I gotta start doing some other types of videos that are more appealing to the population. So if you guys are not really interested in this video that and the likes tell me that, then I have to switch and change the schedule around. But make sure you guys get the video to at least 50 likes, so I know you guys like to see this type of content. So let's take a look at the SPY. Since last week, you can see that price closed right here on Friday. Nice move up higher since then, with a little pullback closing towards the end of the week. So where is the SPY headed next, and what is it doing? Well, it looks like after the two legs down, we started finding support right around this region, right around the 420 levels, low 420s, and then we started seeing a reversal take place, which is a good sign. So I'm looking at bearish signs, I'm looking at bullish signs, and seeing who is stronger in the market. Because overall, since October of last year, which is basically 1 year ago, that's when price practically bottomed. October 13th, 2022, that's when price bottomed right here. Saw a strong reversal, so 1 year uptrend. So overall, bulls are dominating for about a year now, and we can see that domination continue in the future. However, in the short term, basically since July of this year, price has been going down. So is that finally over? Well, it does look like it, but again, we are seeing a pullback take place. So basically, what is in favor of the bears? Well, it's really hard to find out because I don't see much as of right now. Because you can see that the bears made two legs down. This is one leg down right over here. Price pullback. They made the second leg down. So they made two legs down, and then price started finding support, and we reversed. Is there a trend line favoring the bears? Not really, because I drew this trend line off the swing highs right over here, and then I drew another trend line right over here, and you see that we're not really in an area where we can be finding resistance from a trend line. Maybe these two right here, but even then we're still not even near it. So I'm not really seeing a strong reason for the bears to continue lower based on the measure move target or a trend line. Well, how about a channel? Well, if I draw this trend line across to the opposite side, you can see that we didn't really it's not really fitting that good on the opposite side. So maybe it's like that, but either way, price should be going to the opposite side of the channel, which is signifying higher prices. So again, not really seeing a good channel either for the bears. So not really a measure move in favor for the bears, not really any trend lines in favor for the bears, not really any channels in favor for the bears. So I'm not really sure that we will continue lower from here to the 417 level. Maybe that's the only thing, because that was the breakout point towards the 417 level, and price tried 2 attempts to reach it, and it looks like it's failing, seeing a strong reversal. Me personally, I think this is just a higher low. Higher low is just when price makes a strong move up, pull back, and we continue higher from there. So this low right here, where price can stop, is higher than the previous one, so that would be a higher low. So that's what I think price is doing. It's probably coming back to this support line right over here. This could be a little bit lower, so let's just move it right about there. It looks like there's some strong support at the 425 level, so price may pull back that far. It would be more bullish if it didn't, but it could pull back that far. But either way, I'm expecting higher prices. I think there are more bullish signs than bearish signs. So what are some bullish signs? You can see that the measurement target was met by the bears. That normally can lead to a reversal. We are coming off a very strong uptrend about a year now, so that's momentum towards the upside. We have resistance up above higher, right around the high 430s, low 440s. So that's what these circles represent. That's a gap fill right over here. So again, there's some nice price targets higher. There's bullish momentum to the upside. And again, we should be seeing higher prices. So since this was one leg up right over here, I'm expecting another leg up sooner than later, either from where we are right now, something like that, or a little bit lower. We could come back to the 425 level, see a bounce, another leg up, and then we reach those higher price levels. So that's what I'm expecting to occur. Now again, is the market guaranteed to do what I expect? No, it's not. But I just see a lot more bullish signs than bearish signs. Very similar to what happened in the past. You can see those two legs down right over here. One leg down, two legs down, target was met, and then look what price did. It made a higher low first before reversing. This was one strong leg up, price pulled back, and then it continued higher. So this was a higher low than the previous low. So again, that's what I'm expecting to occur right where we are right now. So again, I'm looking for higher prices for the SPY in the next, several days. Maybe in the next few days, we do see a little bit more downside. But either way, this should be continuation of the upside. I would be shocked if price reaches the 417 level. Can it get there? It can, but I think that's a very low probability. I think higher probability is a pullback a little bit lower, maybe towards the 425 level, pause there, and then another push up higher, something like that. Or we just get that move up higher from where we are right now. I'm not expecting a drop down like that. I think not really seeing anything on the chart. Could be missing something. Again, I'm not always going to be looking at the chart properly. I don't think anyone can. So I could be missing something, but I'm not really expecting that drop to occur. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Go back to the weekly. Yeah, so here's the weekly chart. You can see that we have this nice uptrend in play. Price is bouncing off the lows, which is the support side. And again, not a lot of follow through from last week. So it's not really a big deal, but we can still see follow through from this week. And let's see what happens. But either way, this looks like a nice reversal to the upside. It looks like price is targeting the all-time highs for the SPY. Looks like the correction is over or coming to an end very shortly. And we should still see continuation of the upside and this trend continue to push up price. So again, that's all I have for the SPY. Let's take a look at the QQQ real quick. So here's the triple Qs, and again we saw some rejection from that prior resistance at the 371 level. Let's take a look at the daily chart. You can see there was a nice strong uptrend in play. This is what this green channel represents. We broke the uptrend. Normally price will continue to push up higher towards the highs of the uptrend, and we haven't reached it just yet. We are finding a little bit of resistance at this 372 level and pulling back because this measure move target was not met. So the QQQ measure move target was not met at the 347 level. Let me show you guys right now. This was one leg down right over here. Price pulled back after two small legs up right here. One leg up, two legs up. Price made the second leg down, targeting the 346, 347 level. Failed to reach it because price stalled at the 351 level. Got back above support 355 and shot up higher. So we're finding a little bit of resistance at the 372. This could be the second attempt to reach that measure target by the bears. And if it fails any time until the target is met, we can see a strong reversal in the opposite direction. Normally, you'll see two attempts to reach a measuring target. So this was the first attempt. This is the second attempt. And sometimes the second attempt could be, two smaller attempts like that. But I would still consider it an entire second attempt. But either way, I think that's why the price is pulling back, looking for another attempt to reach this measurable target for the QQQ. And then if it fails, or even it does reach it, there's a good chance price will resume higher in the long term. So again, a lot of room to the upside, not a lot of resistance. I think this, bear market from 2021 to up until 2022 is over. And it looks like, price is having a nice little uptrend take place, and it should continue moving higher, in the next couple of weeks, couple of months, maybe to the all-time highs this year. We'll have to wait and see. But either way, that's all I have for the QQQ. That's all I have for the SPY. Make sure you guys hit the like button down below, show some appreciation, and then, I can continue putting out these videos for you guys. So that's all I have for SPY and QQQ. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.